Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're going to stop Talkback right now. First, make sure the Moto G60 is unlocked and has enough charge. A dying battery slows everything. Open Settings, swipe down and tap the gear icon. If Talkback is speaking, use two-finger scrolling to move through menus and double-tap to activate items. Once in Settings, locate Accessibility. You'll need it for the actual toggle. Make sure you follow the gestures if Talkback is still active, so you can continue without interruption. Now dig into Accessibility to find Talkback. You'll see a list. Double-tap the Accessibility entry to open it, then two-finger scroll to find Talkback. Once you select Talkback with a double-tap, the Talkback screen shows a main toggle in Settings. Use the main on/off switch and double-tap to change it. If you want, open Settings inside Talkback to reduce verbosity or disable gestures first, so turning it off is simpler next time. This step is where the feature is actually deactivated. Finish by double-tapping the Talkback toggle and confirming any dialogue that appears. The voice should stop immediately. Once done, press home or back out and test by tapping apps normally to ensure gestures are back to standard. If Talkback keeps speaking, restart the phone and check accessibility again. If you cannot operate the screen, use the accessibility shortcut by holding both volume buttons for a few seconds, or plug in a USB keyboard to navigate and turn Talkback off from Settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.